You see, like this jeans, I had it for my son, and he has worn it several times. They're not too much, and but because of the way they play, you all know children. Most of you that have children, you know how they play. And then you look at the trouser, you see the knee. The knee here is broken, and here is broken from both sides. And but if you look at the trouser is still very good. It's still very clean. It's still very neat. Nothing happened to the waist. Nothing. But now he can't wear it like this anymore because of this knee that is broken. Now, what do I do? So because I know how to sew, so I have taught myself some basic skills on sewing with a sewing machine. So you will see, I'm going to remake this trouser, and I'm going to remake it. And when I remake it, I'm going to show you. You will see how you can save a lot of money. Instead of me just throwing this trouser in the bin and buy him another one, I decide to remake it and beautify it. And you're going to, because I have some material, and this is my tools that I'm going to use. Everything that I need here, clay, scissors, everything, they are all here. So I'm going to remake this trouser. Just watch and see. It's very easy. This one is the material that I'm going to put over it. You see, very nice material. I like it. I like the pattern. So this one now, I'm going to cut it now, the exact piece that I want. Then turn it into two, and sew it around. Then I will put it on top of it. I'm going to open this trouser, and when I open it, and I will show you, and then I will remake it again, then I will show you. You will see. Yeah, if you look here, this is the special. If you look here, this is the special pin that I have. With this pin, I can lose this trouser again. You see, with this pin, once you put it here, you just have to put it inside. Look at it. You just take the pin through this little thread here. The pin, you take it very easy. Very easy. What I do, you are losing it so that you can be able to have access to remake this trouser again. And but many people will say, oh my God, I can't go through all those processes. This is too difficult. I don't have time. This is the reason why we have too many poor people in our world today. Everybody wants to skip process. Everybody just wants to say, oh, I can do, I can't. You see, open yourself to possibility. Once you open yourself to possibility, everything is possible. Because we as a human being, we don't know how powerful our possibilities are. But we like to just keep process because we're lazy. And most of us, we think we're too busy. But when you have spare time, like all these things I'm doing, I do them for my spare time because everybody is busy, but we still have spare time. So we can use it to teach ourselves basic skills that we can use to help ourselves in rainy days. So I'm going to use this pin to lose this whole jeans, and I will lose it, and I will show you, and I will remake it, and I will show you. So look at it. I've already finished making the trouser. You see, I already put that pattern inside. I already make it to look more nice. And so now what I have to do now is to put the trouser together now. So I'm still going to show you. Just check this out. You see what I made of it. Very nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave your comment, share with your friends and family. Let's see what they think. And follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram with the name Pastor Chris Ozeku.